Don't judge the background, okay? This is my Windows 7 laptop. It's like new for me, and I'm gonna hit play. It's playable even with online games. The support for this ends at 2020, so at 2020 they're gonna stop making updates for this. Playing spilex.io, and the noise in the background, just ignore it, okay? I know how to edit music, and I'll be telling this to my other channel, but this, like, my other channel from over there should come over to here, because this is a new, it wouldn't let me sign into another one, so guess I'll be recording on this one from now on. If you guys were wondering, I haven't been recording over there, as you know. Do this real quick. I'll show you guys the YouTube channel that apparently I have. Hold on. Okay. It's loading in for me. Let's go to YouTube. That's okay. As it will take a while to load. As you see, this is my channel. This is actually my channel, really. This is one that I just posted, so I'll be posting. Right there. You guys can hear it. Yeah. That's me, by the way, recording. So follow me on my new channel. Like I said, I'll be announcing this tomorrow. Apparently right after I'm done with school. I know we usually record. Jelly? No! Bad purple. Bad purple. Bad purple. Bad purple. Bad purple. Woo! Oh, I should have got purple. What the heck? Purple! Everyone's trying to attack me. Dang, I died. Okay, that was pretty cool right there. I'm not so sure, but I'm going to end the video right here. I really like this right here. Maybe I might be able to. As you see down there, yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I'll record a video tomorrow for you guys. So keep that in mind. It's probably gonna be spilex.io, because I haven't found how to really download any games at the moment. Minecraft doesn't work. That's just a launcher, and I think I might just be reacting to reacting to videos. I might get a game downloaded in the future on this. I will be getting a better laptop in the future than this, but this will have to work for now, guys. Bye.